We are at 999 ppm building. Hopefully I could walk in here. Let's see what kind of elevator we have. I've driven by this building so many times. Never knew what they had in here. Oh. Got PTL. And Dover? Here's the motor room. Let's see. Huh. New cab? Oh, it's original. Nice. Apparently this floor is employees only. What did that say? Kone elevator. Oh, 2 works. 2,100 pounds. I think this is a new interior. I don't know, it looks newer. It does not look over at all. Let's do another ride. Oh, no phone. Oh, there's... I guess that's the firelight. Here's your lantern. Guess they have Dover in here. 2 is a private floor. I guess I can't go there. Alright. It's got sensors. Listen to the motor room. Strange how they have Centurion on the outside. .999 Walt Whitman Road. They got Dover. There we go.